Good day, sir. My name is Mr. Candia Kevin Curcio. I am 21 years old. I live in Barangay Bantigi or Moc City. I am third year BSmart E from Section 3 Delta. So, same-sex, civil union, and moral judgment. Different churches, different religions have different teachings about marriage and sexuality. Some people or some believe that sex should only happen between a man and a woman within marriage, while others support equal rights and civil unions for same-sex couples. If a church leader supports same-sex civil unions, I would first respond with respect and understanding instead of anger or hatred. In ethics, moral judgment should include both truth and compassion. I may disagree with the leader's position based on my religious beliefs, but I should still listen carefully and think critically and treat all people with dignity. From a moral perspective, many people believe that marriage is traditionally between a male and a female because of religious teachings and natural law. Because of this, they may see same-sex unions as morally wrong, according to their faith. However, others argue that civil unions are about legal rights, commitment, love, and protection under the law. Not only in religion, my moral judgment is that people should be free to express their beliefs respectfully without discriminating against others. So even when I disagree with someone's lifestyle or choices, ethics teaches the importance of respect, human dignity, and peaceful dialogue. Moral decisions should be guided by conscience, reason, and responsibility. So next question is that is sex determined at conception or assigned at birth? So science shows that biological sex is usually determined at conception through chromosomes. A child normally receives XX chromosomes for female and XY chromosomes for male from the parents. These genetic factors guide the development of the body. Before birth, at birth, doctors identify or assign sex by observing physical characteristics such as reproductive organs. In most cases, this matches the biological sex already determined at conception. Therefore, science supports the idea of biological sex is primarily determined at conception, while sex assigned at birth is the recognition of those biological traits. From a moral and ethical perspective, many people believe that humans or human beings should respect biological reality while also treating every person with dignity and compassion. Ethics teaches that all individuals deserve respect regardless of their identity or personal experiences. In conclusion, science supports that biological sex is determined at conception through genetics, while birth assignment is the medical identification of that sex. So morality also reminds us the approach of sensitive issues with respect, understanding, and responsibility towards others. So that is all for my video, sir. Thank you for watching.